Right, sanibonani guys. In this video ngiphethe question 3, which is another question on number patterns for this question paper ka November 2021. So lana sikhuluma nge-quadratic number pattern. In the description box uzothola ama-links for other questions engiwarecordile for the question paper. Lana is a quadratic pattern -145, -122, -101, and then the pattern here too, it continues all the way up to infinity. With 3.1, but to write down the value of T4, which is the fourth term. So it's not 3 term, T1, T2, T3, and then tinasfuna out T4. Now with 3.1, this is the number pattern. Since it's a quadratic number pattern, sibanani in a second common difference. So the first common difference, as we calculate, it's what? It's -122 minus -145 equal to 23. And then the next one, it's -101 minus -122. Answer, it's 21. Answer is 21. So it's 23 and 21. And then second common difference here to it's -2. 21 minus 23, it's -2. So if ever T4 bekakhona, this difference yala yaga T4 no T3 nangi subtracta no 21, I should also get ubani -2. Ulokanje -2. So -101, -101, it's -2 plus 23 plus -122 kunginikeza -101. So bheka -122 nangimhlanganisa no 23 buya ngihlanganise nobani no -2 ngithola -101. So chaza ukuthi T4 naye in order ukuthi ngimthole ngiyohlanganisa -101 no 21 no -2 ngizothola ubani T4. So our answer for 3.1 is -101 plus 21 plus -2 equal to -82. So this is our answer for 3.1, -82. 3.2 bafunani labantu. Alright, but he show that the general term of this number pattern is Tn equal to -n squared plus 26n minus 170. So bheka sizo calculate A. I'm sure this is the general formula. It's Tn equal to an squared plus bn plus bani c. Ufuna calculate A, B, no C. So qala ngo A. The A, formula ka A is what? It's 2A equal to the second common difference. Equal to the second common difference. So therefore A divided by 2 divided by 2, A is equal to -1. So now A umthola using this formula, 2A equal to the second common difference. And then B again. B sim calculator is 3 times A plus B is equal to the first common difference, which is 23. So now nangabufuna bu A, B, C, you always use lama values okuqala. This one, and this one. So now bufuna calculate A, usebenzisa 2A equal to this, and then B calculator using 3A plus B equal to this, and then siya substitute A nayo -1 plus B equal to 23, and then lana it's -3 plus B equal to 23. B is equal to 23 plus 3 b is equal to 26. Is equal to 26. As calculate to c, yeah, c and some calculator using this formula, a plus b plus c equal to minus 145. Unfortunately, lama formula lawa 2a 3a plus b, a plus b plus c angeke wathola ku formula sheet, so komele uwazi nangabe especially now udila ne quadratic number pattern. So a -1 plus b 26 plus c unknown. Sifuna ukucalculate yena ke manje. So -1 plus 26 is 25 plus c equal to minus 145. C is equal to -145. -145 minus 25. C is equal to -170. Therefore, Tn is equal to a sim calculate as -1, so it's -n squared. B sim calculate as 26, so it's plus 26n. C it was -170. So therefore, logu kuyafana na logu. We just proved or shown that the general term of this number pattern is that. 3.3. Lana ku 3.3 basibuza ukuthi between which two terms of the quadratic number pattern will be a difference of -121. So therefore lana kahle kahle basibuza ukuthi imaphi ama-term ayi-2 kule quadratic pattern yami engizothi nangwa subtract anginikeze -121. Alright, ngizowenza i-example ngama-terms nyana akhona la, right? So nangizo subtracta ulo kanje. For instance, ngiyabekisa la, ne? I'm making an example. Now my consecutive terms. T2 subtract T1. U-T2 ulandela ubani? U-T1. So nangisubtracta u-T2 no-T1, I should get something. Now manye ama-consecutive terms. U-T3 no-T2. T3 minus T2, I should get something. T4 no T3 are my consecutive terms now. So on and so on. But lana, we don't know with the map ma consecutive terms, right? Lama consecutive terms are ones. Ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi between which two terms of the quadratic number pattern will there be a difference of -121. So since angwazi lawo malo kanje, lawo ma terms senze so sizothi Tn plus 1 minus Tn. Uyabona? 2 1. It's basically 1 back. It's basically 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 1 is what? Is 3. 3 plus 1 is what? Is 4. N plus 1 inginikeza the next term. So therefore lana ke ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi nangizo subtracta u-Tn plus 1 no minus, nangizo subtracta uloka u-Tn plus 1 no Tn, ngifuna ukuthi banginikeze ubani? U-1 2 1. Lawo ma terms angwazi, that's why ngisebenzisa u-n plus 1 nobani? No n. This is the following term, this is the current term, and then this is the following term, since anjani are consecutive, right? Now bheka ke manje ngizosebenzisa the n term to calculate lawo ma terms ayi-2. Nangwa subtract anginikeze u-1 2 1. Bheka ke manje okay, athi ngibhalele la Tn plus 1 minus Tn is equal to -121, right? -121. Check again. It's minus Tn is calculated on the previous question as ubani. Ngifake in bracket, it's minus n squared plus 26n minus 170 equal to minus 121. Tn plus 1 nangu-ke where there's n kule general term yami i-n term yami ngiyofaka u-n plus 1. Where there's n yaphinda I repeat, where there's n ngiyofaka u-n plus 1 since it's the following term after ubani u-tn. So sizoti minus where there's n, now it's n squared la, where there's n ngiyofaka u-n plus 1, it's squared, plus 26 where there's n ngiyofaka ubani u-n plus 1 minus 170. Boom, we have an equation again. Now we have an equation. I need to find the value for n. Well, this thing is straightforward. Lana sizoti minus n squared plus 2n plus 1 plus 26n plus 26 minus 170 plus n squared minus 26n plus 170 is equal to minus 121. And then you simplify. Lana give out negative square n squared negative 2n negative 1. Okay, lay cancel not this one, and then this one is a cancel not this one, so you salana lo 26, is it? Yeah, 26 nalo n squared, so give out plus 26 plus n squared equal to minus 121. Then lena i-cancelana not lena. Bangani bam suka madoda man, hayi suka man, ilula right there. Okay, minus 2n equal to minus 121 plus 1 minus 2n is equal to lana it's negative 120 divided by negative 2. Negative 2n is equal to asibone negative 120 divided by negative 2 is 60. 60, is it? 60. I'm not happy la. I'm not happy. Oh, okay. I see now. Okay, it's minus 1 plus 26. It's plus 25. So lana it's plus 25. Yeah, ne? Minus 121 minus 20 minus 2n equal to minus 121 minus 25 minus 2n is equal to minus 121 minus 25 minus 146 minus 146 minus 2 n is equal to 74. But let's check. Negative 2 equal to 73, not 74. 73. So therefore it means again ama consecutive terms were tuzoba ubani 74 subtract what? 73. It's 74 minus 73. So lawo terms are 2 74 nobani 73. The n is still with it's this term. The next one yoba ubani yoba 74 ngoba you add u1 kulo 73 to find the following term. So therefore 3.3 uphelela lana. With 3.4 bathini ke, what value must be added to each term in the number pattern so that the value of the maximum term in the new pattern will be 1. Interesting. Okay. All right, let's find the question again. What value must be added to each term in the number pattern? The number pattern negative 145, negative 122, negative 101. We also have a negative 82. Remember, T4, negative 182, and then it continues all the way up to infinity. What value must be added to each term? There's a value add must be added to the number pattern so that the value, this is the most important statement, the value of the maximum term in the new number pattern formed will be 1. So let's add a value to each term such that in maximum term kule new number pattern is what? Is 1. Bheka, this is the number, this is the end term for the, this is the end term for our quadratic pattern, plus 26 and minus 170. This is the end term for our number pattern in question, this one. Ne? There is a term add such that the maximum term in the new one, in the new number pattern formed is 1. The maximum, the value of the maximum term in the new pattern formed will be 1. I read the statement over and over again just to for emphasis. Yes, for emphasis. I need to find a maximum term for this one, right? For this number pattern, I need to find the maximum term here called. So since this is a quadratic equation or a parabola, what's this, man? The maximum terms is calculated using our equation for a turning point. So this is the x or the n value for our turning point in the parabola. So it's going to be minus b 26 to AU1. So our answer is negative 1. It's negative. It's negative, man. So then I answer it to give out negative. Negative divided by negative, it's positive. So Lana it's negative, not negative but positive what? 13. So the 13th term is our, the 13th term is our maximum term kule quadratic pattern yethu. So our 13th term is the maximum term. So that maximum, the value of the maximum term in the new number pattern formed, we must be what? 1. Bheka, asithole ilokanje maximum term for this pattern, right? And make the maximum term of the new pattern to be 1. Okay. Let's find ilokanje value of our 13th term. So lagno n khona ngifaka 13 squared plus 26, 13 minus 170 equal to asibale negative. So it's 13 squared, 13 squared plus 26 open bracket 13 minus 170 equal to negative 1. So this is the maximum term. 13th term is the maximum term ubani negative 1 for this number pattern. So for the new number pattern formed, the maximum term must be what? 1. bheka-ke nangi-add u-2 kulo negative 1 as-add u-2 nangabe ngi-add u-2 minus 1 plus 2 is equal to bani 1 is equal to 1. So therefore the statement is sithini, what value must be added to each term in the number pattern so that the value of the maximum term in the new number pattern formed will be 1. So let's add ubani u2 kule maximum term so that iba ubani iba 1. So it means that for the new number pattern, in order to ngithole the new number pattern, each term kumele add ubani u2 2 2 2 2, and then the maximum term nayo kumele add u2 so that iba ubani iba 1. Okay. It might be a lot to digest for this question, but yeah, I hope you told some value out of this video. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching. If ever una question regarding this question 3, asikhulume in the comment section. Nangabe uthole some value, man, just share with your friends. Now we're new to this channel, please consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. Asibonane on the next video. Bye bye.